Hi, I'm Grant Graybill here, predicting and reporting your weather. Wichita, Kansas, in front of Finley's Hobbies, where you can buy guns. As I look to the eastern sky, I can only but help myself to think that just south, in this direction, from where there's tails in the clouds spinning, there is what is setting up to be the perfect storm, the perfect conditions for tornadoes. There is a large trailer park back that way, within 20 degrees. Yes, I said it first. You heard it here. Not at Cake, not at Kissin', KSN, whatever it is. This isn't the BTK bullshit. This is me telling you that factually you must have trailer parks to have successful tornadoes. No one ever told you that before, huh? Just like no one ever tells you that mama's tit milk is good for the soul.